a master manager code, one-time use functionality, and an eco-friendly security solution. The Combi-Cam E features 3 password levels, manager, master, and service code, and 2 modes, individual and locker mode. For the individual mode, we're going to use the code 1010, and that is where the same person is entering the same code each time. Locker mode, or one-time use, is where any individual can set any 4-digit code that they want. In this case, we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Then when they come back to the locker, they enter that combination one more time to open the locker. The next person to use the lock will set their own unique 4-digit code. This electronic cabinet lock also gives you an environmentally friendly application with up to a 10-year battery life, drastically reducing the hazard of battery waste or frequent annoying battery changes. Additional attributes of the Combi-Cam E include that it retrofits a standard cam lock with a 5/8 inch to a 3/4 inch diameter. It also has audio-visual feedback, flexibility of features, and a left or right-handed application. With its long-lasting battery life and a compact design for surface or semi-flush mounting and a competitive price, the Combi-Cam E is a perfect electronic cabinet lock for countless applications: metal and wood cabinets, drawers, lockers, medical carts, data racks, safes, gun boxes, etc.
Installation is very simple. Simply clean and dry the surface, adjust the length by sliding and removing this plastic piece, and then adjusting the length by cutting it wherever you need to, so that there's no extra hanging off. I'm going to cut it right here. Then you put the piece back on. And you're going to slide it until it locks. This is very important. Once you lock it, it will not be adjustable any longer. So make sure you know what length you want to use it. So now you'll hear it snap. Sometimes you have to use a little pressure with your thumb. And there's the snap. Then you simply remove the plastic, the paper backing from the adhesive on the back. And then you place it exactly where you want it on your cabinet doors or drawers or wherever else. Press firmly, and then you let it set for about 24 hours for the maximum hold. When you're ready to use it, you simply slide and lift, and to close, simply press. And that's it.
Install child-proof latches. Keep your children out of harm's way and keep unwanted cabinet snoopers away using child-proof latches. You will need child-proof locks, a power drill, screws, and a pencil. Step 1. Choose locks that will work with the type of cabinet in your home. Wraparound style latches can be used for doors with handles, while interior latches can be used for cabinets without. Step 2. Install a slide lock by squeezing the 2 ends of the lock to release and open the slide to make a gap. Step 3. Place the slide through or around the handles. Step 4. Secure the lock over the ends of the slide. Squeeze the lock to position it and release to slide the lock into place. Step 5. Install the frame catch for interior door latches using a drill to make pilot holes for the screws. The catch should be 1 inch away from the edge of where the door meets the frame to provide space for the latch. Step 6. Test placement for interior locks by opening the cabinet door and holding an interior latch at the top corner. Close the door slowly to determine the best placement for the door latch. Mark the placement for the screw holes with a pencil. The latching mechanism for interior door locks may have to be adjusted a few times to ensure the catch at the top of the frame meets the latch exactly. Step 7. Drill pilot holes for the latch and screw into place. Test the latch to make sure you can't pull the door open without pushing the latch down. Adjust the latch if necessary. Relax, knowing that your child is now that much safer. Did you know, on January 1st, 1978, Tennessee became the first U.S. state to implement a law requiring the use of child safety seats?
Hey guys, this is a baby cabinet from Kiscords, and I love it because it's so easy to put on and you don't have to glue and anything like this, but it's hard for a kid to figure out how to take out. And once it's locked, there is no way for a kid can open this. See, I'm pulling really hard and does not open. So when you get your package, I recommend you to read the directions because the cord have to be only on this way and doesn't make it open, doesn't slip, and so it's this way that you have to do. So if your cord looks this way and both sides is the wrong way, once you pull it, it will be easy to open this.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.